Hello my brothers and sisters in nerdiness, welcome back to the Spider's Web, first video of 2024, and we are continuing with a series of unboxing videos that we've already started, but since I finished the previous ones just before Christmas, I got more. Yes, we are going back to Nova Aetas Renaissance, and this, as you can see, is the Hyperion expansion. Wow, this looks like he's a bit of a mean beastie, but we are going to get on with opening up. So we'll get our knife of opening and slice into there. Rip off the cephalene, and this is what we have. So let's bring this up. The new and powerful Titan is awakening from his millennial slumber. Hyperion, the Lord of Fire, is about to carry out his plan to set the world on fire. Hyperion is an expansion for the Nova Aetas Renaissance and Black Rose War game system. In Nova Aetas Renaissance, your company of adventurers will face a side campaign consisting of 2 missions culminating in a deadly final confrontation in a hunt mission against Hyperion and his Myrmidons. In Black Rose Wars, you will be able to use Hyperion as a new mage with asymmetrical rules to represent the enormous powers he unleashes to gain control of the Black Rose. In here we have 1 Hyperion model, 3 Myrmidon models, 2 mission envelopes, 6 tokens, 4 burned trees, 17 mission cards, 17 Hyperion action, 14 rewards, 4 rewards, 4 injury, 1 Myrmidon enemy card, 1 Myrmidon draft card, 1 event. For the Black Rose War system, we will be using, we have 3 Hyperion cells, and as for cards, we have 1 mage, 3 personal spell, 1 forgotten spell, 1 reference, 1 forgotten evocation, and 3 evocations. So that is what is inside. It says on here it's for 14 plus, takes 90 minutes, and is 1 to 6 players. So I don't know whether that's for Black Rose Wars or Nova Aetas Renaissance, but this is a crossover from Nova Aetas Renaissance into Black Rose War. Let's open up. We have a rule book. Black Rose War, this side. We turn this upside down and we have Nova Aetas Renaissance. So I'm not looking at Black Rose War because I don't have Black Rose Wars, but I'm now tempted. So here we have the contents. Here we have a list of the tokens, some of the terrain pieces. This shows you how to use the expansion, quitting the side campaign, the hunt mission, completing the side campaign, Hyperion injuries, bounty, large models, blah blah blah, and then the plot book. And I'm not going through this in any great detail, I just wanted to show you what there was. Next, we take off the plastic top, and we have tokens that have already come out. So yes, once again, they are fairly easy to remove from the sprues because they're already falling out of the sprues. I don't know where the other round one is. There it is. I found it. We'll take that out and put that down there. So we have this particular token for, I'm presuming this is for the Horologium, and it's Hyperion's activation token. Number 3, that's another. Let's get the Ujits out and then we can see what it says for these, because I can't remember off the top of my head what the tokens actually mean. Okay, so we have this is a mutation token. This is a mutation token, apparently. This is the Hyperion activation token for the horologium, and this one here is the Myrmidon activation tokens. We have a 10 and a 5 health. The 10's fallen out again, and we have some burned trees terrain pieces. Here we have some hexagonal pieces. These will be for Black Rose War. We don't use those. We have the envelopes for the Nova Aetas Renaissance gameplay. This I think is for Black Rose War, because I don't recognise it. And here we have the cards that go into the envelopes. I'm not looking at those. Again, more cards for Black Rose War. And we have these as well. Looks like these may be for Black Rose War. Then again, they may not be. I haven't seen the cards, anything underneath, apart from the number 10 health token. No, so nothing looks like it's in there. I wonder if things are in here for Nova Aetas, because we should have event cards, Golden Flames. Let's see what's in this deck. And we'll put that to one side for the moment, and we'll lower the camera. Okay, so let's open this up and see what we have. I'm not sure whether this is Black Rose War. No, it's Nova Aetas Renaissance, because it does say there at the bottom NAR. So that's, yeah, these are for Nova Aetas Renaissance by the look of it. But I'm trying to find all the other cards that we need. So let's see where things go with this. I'm opening this pack. Black Rose War, Black Rose War, Black Rose War, Black Rose War. The Myrmidon enemy card. And a World in Flames. This is the events card that we get for Black Rose War. Let's have a look. In these cards, they may all be mixed up. I don't know. We will find out. I wish they weren't all mixed up, because I would sooner have the Black Rose War and Nova Aetas Renaissance cards separate. But let's have a look. What do we have? Myrmidons. A demon. Nova Aetas Renaissance. What are these? What are these? What are these? I can't tell. I don't know what these cards are. Yes, I'm definitely trying to work out what these cards are. I don't recognise them from other things, and I can't find them. I can't see what they are in the Nova Aetas Renaissance thing. So let's have a look at the Black Rose War section. Okay, so these ones are for Black Rose War. So that one is a mage card for each, a mage card for each one, and a reference card. yeah, so this one is the Mage card for Black Rose War, and this one is the reference card for Black Rose War. Next we have these 3 personal spell cards for Black Rose War, and a forgotten spell card for Black Rose War. So they are for the Nova Aetas ones. I'm going to keep these separate because I don't have Black Rose War as yet. These are evocation cards, and we should have 3 of these, and I've only seen 2. Oh, sorry. Now then, we have evocation cards, and there should be 3. That's a forgotten evocation card, and these are 3 evocation cards. Sorry, I'm trying to make sense of these because I don't recognise the cards. Next we have these ones I do recollect. These cards are the Hyperion cells for Black Rose War. So these are going over to one side of the table, out of the way, because these are not cards I require for the time being, unless I do get Black Rose War at some point. So here we have, excuse me, 4 reward cards. So we have these. So we have a reward card for Hunt 1, for Hunt 2, for Hunt 3, and for Hunt 4. And these are the coins, cards that we get, the rewards. Here we have injury cards. 1, 2, 3, 4 injury cards. So we can have damaged temple, branded by fire, calf injury, and purulent laceration, whatever that means. Don't know. And then we have this one. It's a Myrmidon draft card. That's what that one is. And then we have Hyperion. These are Hunt cards. The Hunt action cards. Okay, and that is the Myrmidon enemy card, which we said before. That one is the event card, A World in Flames. As we've said already, these are the reward cards. These are the injury cards. This one is the Myrmidon draft card. And these ones are the action cards. We have 17 of these for Hyperion. I'll give you a quick look at a few of them. Not going through all of them in any great detail. If you want to pause and see if you can read these properly, you can do, or alternatively, you can wait and see if we get a gameplay video with this expansion, and you'll see what these are like. So that's that. We have gone through everything now that is in this, except for the mission cards. I'm not showing any of those. Next, zoom in. Zoomy, because we have the minis we're going to be looking at now, and we're going to start off with the Myrmidons. Oops. And these are demons. The Myrmidons come from ancient Greece. These were the followers of Achilles, I think, if I remember rightly. These were Achilles warriors in ancient Greece. So why these have been used in this, I don't know, but hey, I don't care. In fact, Hyperion was ancient Greek, wasn't he? at the moment. As you can probably tell from my voice, I'm getting over a cold, so my concentration levels are a little bit low at the moment, so I'm trying to make sense of things. But yes, there we are. They are the Myrmidons. Now let's zoom out a little bit, because we have the big guy, Hyperion. Even zooming out for that much is not enough. We'll get rid of some background distraction. And there we are. This is Hyperion. This is a stunning looking model. And it's not light either. It's a solid chunk of plastic. It's smooth, it's detailed. It is going to be so much fun to paint. There's a lot in here to get my hands around, to get my thoughts around. And I'm hoping you can hear that there, but Ali's having a good sneeze, because we've both been down with colds. That's why we've not put any videos up recently. We've both been really ill, and things have happened, and as I said, it's the reason why we've not been around for a week or two. But we're back. 2024 is going to be the year when the Spider's Web and Uncut Waffle are going to be getting more and more and more busier. We have loads of things to do, and loads of things that will hopefully entertain you, educate you, and inform you. But for now, that is it for the Hyperion expansion. We have a few more boxes from Nova Aetas to look at over the next coming days. And we also have another game, another Kickstarter campaign that has come through in its entirety, and it's another big one. And that is going to be a future video as well. But for now, all I can say is welcome to 2024. Hope you all have a great year. Hope you all have a healthy and happy new year, and 2024 brings everything in your life that you desire, and hopefully there will be many more videos, and this channel and Uncut Waffle goes from strength to strength. You may have noticed as well, if you go over to Uncut Waffle, there is only one video on there now. I've taken some down. The personal reasons behind that, I'm not going into it, but that's the reason. Uncut Waffle is going to get a little bit of a makeover, and we're starting afresh. But that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.